Hey, Nick Ciminello here. Any of y'all have seen and are utilizing my wall single leg leaning calf and also my Captain Morgan calf raise? Both fantastic exercises. But let me show you some, you might call it regressions or just make it easier for someone who's not as strong, can't necessarily start on one leg. Well, you first start them on two legs. So just hands out in front. Find the furthest place they can go back while keeping their heels flat and feet straight. Don't let their toes turn out. Lean the hips forward. That's the biggest thing. The mistake is people will flex at their hips. Don't do that. You want to be straight here, straight here. That's the big one. So you get a stretch, and there you go. There's your two-leg calf raises. Now, if you feel for whatever reason they're rolling, they won't do it really, but if they're rolling way off to their pinkies, then put their ankle bones together, lean in and say, do the calf raise as you keep your ankle bones together. And that'll keep them right driving through mainly that first MTP joint. So, or you can just mix up those calf positions. Either ankle bones together and insides of the feet together, insides of the shoes, ridges of the shoes together, or about hip width apart, feet parallel. Always hip straight. Now, let's say you want to add some load to that. So we're going to go, but you're not ready for a single leg. Well, I can hold weight just in one hand and do my move. By the way, it's a nice, really good ankle warm-up too, by the way. Just make sure that the prerequisites are as follows. Body is straight, not here. Feet are perfectly straight, not Donald Duck toe out, and the heels are touching the floor every time. A lot of people will just get lazy with this. They'll go all the way back. Now their heels are way off the ground, and they'll just start bouncing. I'm not saying that's a waste of time. That's just not the exercise I'm showing you here.